Hi guys, so I was sent some items to review for Diamond Press, and these items were sent free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. Any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. These items are for HSN, and you know, they're gearing up for August craft day. I believe it's the 23rd. But these items are already there on HSN if you want to check them out. So I'm going to open this one up and show it to you. And then I have another one, but today's video is going to be on this one, the stamp and die called Paper Fashions. So let's open this up and take a peek. And I'll show you the one other item that is currently available. Of course, maybe there's others. Maybe those things always change. But for now, this is what I have. And this is what is ready to go there on HSN. Let me open this up out of the packaging and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is called Paper Fashions, and I look at it here and it is Paper Fashions. Like the little dress. We'll find out what this is here. Maybe like a little, maybe a scarf? No, maybe some, I don't know, some little swirly stuff. We'll see. Ruffles, I mean, you know, the skirt here, that has like a embossing with the little lines there. Oh, that was like a little tag, but we'll see. All these different shapes, the dress form, all kinds of pretty little dresses, like a collar, hanger, which is so much fun to have. I love having that die there. I think this says the word birthday. Again, more skirts, lots of ruffles and belts, and this is another piece of the stand there. So you can layer it up, I suppose. And then we have a little kind of label tag. And happiness. Fabulous, of course. Let's see here. Sparkle, and we'll find out. Let's look at that and find out right now what the other word is. I always forget that they already have it here. We can check it out. Yeah, gorgeous. So then, you know, we can line up, or pair up, should I say, the words with that little label, and then it has different words here. So you have you are with the stamps, it's your birthday, you know, sparkle, it's your birthday, you are fabulous, gorgeous friend, simply gorgeous, however you want to mix that up. But let me show you the other stamps that come in here. So I have my window open and it's very breezy right now. Beautiful, kind of like swirly with the flowers pattern, so you can make patterns on your little dresses and skirts and things. And this one's more of like a brocade pattern, I suppose, maybe. Maybe I'm off on that one. Little floral pattern here, and then little polka dots, and again the words here. And then we have our instructions that just show you, you have your base, the first layer, second layer, and third layer. Oh, that's so cute. So you have all these different layers there, and then of course if you want to put the collar and the belt. Oh yeah, see, exactly. So that's what I was thinking. I was like, maybe it's like this kind of thing. So that's what we have here. So cute, the different layers. And then this fancy little dress. Oh, okay, no wonder we have so many ruffles. So you can ruffle it up. That is adorable. You imagine cutting this with like different felt or fabrics that don't fray, of course, unless you want to use some kind of fray ending glue or whatever is fray check. And then we have the base, of course, the little layers. Oh, okay, yeah, so it's the little knob. That one thing that looked like a little tag, it's a little knob to go on top of there. You can make your dress form. And then if you want to put the dress on the mannequin or dress form there, you can do that, or just hang it up, or however you like. And then again, as far as making your patterns, so cute. So let me grab the other set that is currently available and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the other one, the Peekaboo Halloween. Okay, let's see what we have here. It looks like something a little different, a little interactive perhaps. Sorry, I just realized I hadn't turned on my overhead light, so it might have been a little dark on that intro. Let's see here. Aww. Card closed, card open, and the back of card if you want to decorate it up. So we have card base, the front hill, the peekaboo mechanism, and then they're telling you different things that we can do here, so we'll talk about that in just a minute. So we have some interactivity here. So cute. It does come with the larger cutting folder. The first one did have the marquee, the regular cutting folder, if I forgot to mention there. And then we have the dies. So again, the dies to make our card, to help us out there, and the little hill, and then this if you just want to use it extra or however you want. The dies to cut all of these stamps out, and then that's that mechanism there. And these are the stamps. They're super cute. Nice size. Like the little mean guy tree here. He's so cute. R.I.P. on the little headstone there. Spooky, the little bat. So cute. Trick or treat, boo, eek, from, and then to, Peekaboo, Beware, Booty, little haunted house. It's so tiny. It's like a little chubby house. That's so cute. The little ghosts and a little tree. And yeah, it looks like there's dies for pretty much all of it. And I want to see, I was saying it looks like grass here. And there's dies for that too. So just want to show you that, but we're going to focus on the fashion one right now. So let me grab some papers and we'll get started. I do want to mention on that Peekaboo Halloween, there is also going to be an extra set. As I'm speaking about it right now, I have not seen the link for it, but it will be there. And if it's there by the time I make the other video, great. I'll tell you guys about that. But if not, we'll have it to play around, and hopefully it'll be available soon. So it does come with a marquee cutting folder. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so sweet. So we can use the same card base and everything, but with the little witchy and her little potions. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. So it's the same thing, but you have the other extra pieces to make it more the little witch. I put a spell on you. Oh my gosh, hocus pocus, witching you a happy Halloween. Oh, this is adorable. Look at her. Oh my gosh. So again, this will be a separate thing that you can add on, you know, to go and coordinate with that other set. Okay, so now I will grab some papers and we'll do this. So yeah, we're just gonna hit the ground running. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're going purple. So this is just a card base I cut out of some paper here. And where is my... So it's just a standard A2 size piece of paper. Actually, this was A4 size, and I just cut it down to 8.5 by 5.5. But if it was standard A2 size, you would just cut it in half, right, at the 11-inch side. But when you're using A4 size, you kind of have to get the 8.5 off the length of the paper. So cut it at 5.5 and then 8.5. But okay, so 4.25. So I'm just making a standard A2 size card. And then from there we're going to do a few things. So we're going to make our little dress. But I grabbed some of this gold paper because what I'm going to do for the background, like on top of this, is use the Flourish embossing plates. I believe these are still available on HSN. I'll have the links for you guys if they are. They're both really pretty. I think I'll use this one with that circular shape, and I'm just going to run this through the marquee, and I'll have this beautiful frame that has been cut and embossed in one pass, and it's going to sit on top of that. So that'll be really nice. And then these pieces I layered in a way when I have them here, so I know which layer to cut, because I'm going to do this dress. Basically this dress. Super cute. Oh, I noticed I did forget the stuff for the mannequin. So for now, let's make the dress. And I'll just grab some other colors for that. So we need this. And this is the base. And so my base layer, I put it down here, is this purple paper. Happens to be Lilac Waves, so it's gonna have a little texture on that. Really only gonna see the bodice part of this, so I'll cut that one out on that. Then I love this pink like handmade paper. I thought that was really sweet. So let's grab the different layers. We need this one, and this one. Okay, before I misspeak here, we're looking at first layer. So we have base layer, first layer, second layer, third layer. So base layer. First layer is like this one. It's a little bit thinner. I don't know if you can see in diameter, or not diameter, because it's not, but if it was a dress, that'd be, but we're just looking at it like this. So it's a little bit not as wide. We have that one. And this is the second layer. I'm going to cut from this matte metallic purple kind of paper. And then this last third layer is going to put a little bit of embossing on there. And I think it's embossing. It might cut through, I'm not sure. But either way, it puts some texture. And I'm going to use it on this very light color called Sugared Lilac. And then, since this layer, I like the way it's kind of shiny, but it's like tucked inside, I'm also going to cut the little belt and this little accent piece here on the collar. So let me just make sure I have the right pieces, because there are a couple belts here that are very similar. So for now, it looks like, yeah, so the straighter belt like this one goes to the next dress. So this is that little accent piece. I don't know if you can see this one. It's a little bit straighter. And this one's also kind of curved like this one. So I will just pick one of these two. Since this one's over here, I'm going to take this one from over here. See what happens. Okay, so I'm taking one of these little kind of curved bits, and I'm cut it from there. And run them all through the marquee. I will be right back. here. Cut a couple at a time, real quick. Look at this beautiful thing. At first I was like, oh no, these pieces didn't cut, but it's because that's the embossing. You see how pretty it is? Oh my goodness. So that makes a beautiful background there. And so I'll just cut this out with black, and then I'll make the little knob on top. Or you know what? I was going to do gold, but this is already gold in the background. So let's just do this, and then I'll pick some kind of accent color to cut out this little top knob here. And the bottom of the legs if you want to do that. You don't have to make it a separate color, but you can. So I have this. So I'll do some kind of accent color on those two, and I will be right back. Okay. So I just went with silver. Let's put this here. So pretty. So instead of doing the stamping, I just went with different textures, but you could also stamp. Those backgrounds really cute. Okay. So let's do a few things here. We're going to put these guys together. And actually, there we go. We'll put the glue on here. Pop that on there. Really sweet. Suppose if you want to, you can drop shadow that too. I'm just kind of laying it up. Okay, and while that's drying, I'll go ahead and glue this down. So I just put glue all around, and then whatever I can get in this center area, and place that on my card. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, and while I was waiting for that to dry, I also went ahead and took the word sparkle and cut out of this glittery paper here. And I'll just pop out the rest of these little things, but let's see here. Of course we have the little stamp and dies that you can add more, you know, words. I'm not sure how I'm going to use this yet, but I wanted to cut that out and just make sure my glitter paper was working for me today. We have that. Okay, so this is not stuck down. I just popped it there. So again, we have layer 1. I think I'm going to work on this separately. I'm just trying to think about how I want to, if I want to put any dimensionals in there, how I want to do that. So we have that one, we have the first layer, and then we have the second layer. I think I'm just going to lay them all down. But if you want to go ahead and put in some dimensionals, that'd be good too. That's so cute. And I'm just kind of lining him up with the edge down here. Sorry if there's a lot going on. Maybe I should move in a little bit. And then our last one, and yeah, it did cut. That's actually pretty cool. Maybe you can see what's in the background. But I'm just going to put glue pretty much in each section. And lining it up with the edges. That is so sweet. I'm going to hold this down and I'll be right back. So I'm just going to put the last bits, and it looks like this kind of tucks in here. And then we have our little bit that goes on top. What a sweet little dress. Look at that. With all the different layers, that is really, really pretty. And we have the little hanger that's super sweet. We can put it on here. Oh, that is adorable. Oh my goodness. So I can see it kind of takes up basically the whole thing here. Oops, not that much. My neckline a little lower than I thought. Alright. Right in here somewhere. I'm going to press it down just so I can pick this up and look at it better. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to let this set up. And I'll be right back. Okay, I think we're ready. So I was thinking about putting her like in here. The word's a little bit, you know, gonna hang out there. Something like that. You can put it there. Lots of different ways. I think that kind of looks like it's in front of the mirror. I think that's good for me. I like that. Okay. Well, we can put it there too. We can also drop shadow it. So there's different ways you can play with that. Let me put this down. I'm going to use some 3D glue gel so I can kind of play with it as I need to instead of having a standard thickness. And put a little bit more in there. Just lovely. Oh my gosh, that looks so opulent just like that because of the papers and everything and the die cut. I mean, it just all goes together really nicely. Look at that. So much detail on this little dress. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it at a jaunty angle and just like that. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Again, I'll have the links in the description box. I'll definitely keep an eye out for the add-on for that adorable Halloween peekaboo set. But for now, here it is. Oh, look at that. That doesn't work. Yeah, it's this one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.